And welcome back. So we had complete sunshine has made our way through the morning and afternoon, and just a few clouds making their way in right now. We are staying pretty dry with that westerly wind. Temperatures really getting up there once again, as most of us were into the low to mid 60s across the region. Temperatures on their way down at 54 degrees out toward North Platte. Winds southwest around 6 miles per hour, keeping us on the mild side, and some more humidity in the air with that dew point of 36 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures. Still staying into the mid to upper 40s out toward Broken Bow and Valentine. That's the cool spot. Mid to upper 50s out toward North Platte, Lexington, and Imperial, and closer to 50 at Thedford, Ogallala, and Hyannis. With the winds mainly westerly, wind speeds right now most places around 5 to 10 miles per hour. That westerly flow is pretty dry for us. So other than a few passing clouds, we are staying on the dry side. We got clear skies up toward Valentine, Hyannis, and clear skies from Curtis and points off to the south, but still watching that band of clouds from Broken Bow, Stapleton, North Platte, Ogallala, and up toward Arthur. That's it for the moisture across the region. In fact, most of the rest of the country is pretty dry. We do have that dual high pressure set up with one of them working off to our south, keeping us dry and warm. Another one right behind it with that southerly or westerly flow, keeping us on the dry side. The only moisture really across the central portion of the country is this low into the Midwest, some rain along the Appalachians, and of course, we got that atmospheric river off the west coast. This moisture is definitely having problems getting over the Rocky Mountains. That's going to be the case until later in the day on Friday. Then we will definitely start to tap into some of that moisture, but staying dry and warm in the meantime, not only for us, but off to our east, off to our west. It's pretty dry. There's the rain off the west coast, nice ridge in the jet stream, and some more rain with a little trough into the Carolinas, out toward the Appalachians, maybe some ice, but most of the country is staying mainly dry. Temperatures falling back into the mid to upper 30s. Those clouds will keep us warm in some areas. That's the midnight temperature, and then falling back just below freezing for overnight lows. For the day tomorrow, we should be right back up there into the low to mid 60s. It's sunny and maybe more of a southerly wind. Maybe we'll add a few more degrees because of that tomorrow. But other than that, we will have just a few passing clouds starting off your Thursday, just around 30 degrees for a low, and then into the mid to upper 50s for highs for the day on Thursday afternoon. Just a few more clouds. Those will be ahead of our next system that will be here by Friday. So one more high pressure system to go. Otherwise, we'll keep that southerly or westerly wind. This low will finally make its way over the Rockies and give us moisture as we go through Friday night. And the moisture will mainly be in the form of rain. It is going to be warm enough through what looks like the entire weekend for central Nebraska to be rain. And we could pick up maybe a ½ inch to an inch of rain in some areas. It's going to be an event that lasts a couple of days. Could be some snow showers in the higher elevations when this system works out. That's going to be overnight Sunday into Monday, but after that, we are back to a nice mild weather pattern. No more 60s to start next week, but the 50s definitely not out of the question as we do keep a good amount of sunshine. Let's take a look at that extended forecast. Upper 60s for tomorrow, sunny skies, partly cloudy Thursday, upper 50s and only upper 40s on Friday with the rain moving through by the evening. Rain and breezy, but a high of 50 on Saturday, mid-40s on Sunday. And then as we go through Monday and Tuesday, temperatures near 50 to start next week. We'll turn back into the upper 50s. No real cool down behind this strong system that's going to give us some rain over the weekend. Kent?
Yeah, I said it before, but really enjoying this first part of this week, and then with the rain that we need coming next week, really is setting up to be a very nice week for us.
Yeah, and temperature is still staying above average with that above average moisture, but it's only falling in the form of rain.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. UPS says major layoffs